This video is really for someone that has a lot of watches and you need to put them somewhere. You don't want to spend a lot of money on a watch box case because it's just not worth it to you. For me, I have probably about 5 of these. I have a lot of watches. I think I have over 150, and a lot of them aren't really high-end watches, so there's no need to spend several $100s on something. I will be reviewing a Mirage luxury travel watch case a little bit more in depth than this. This is just a quick unboxing. So let's get into it. Got my trusty knife. Hope not to cut myself. Of course, that's probably the video that will get the most views and go viral, but not sure I want to do that. So definitely sure I don't want to do that. Okay, so here we go. We have some like plastic cover. Let's see what happens here. Voila. All right, things falling out. Throw that over there. I don't know what this is, but all right. Okay. Yes. Then we have the watch box, watch case, whatever. This one supposedly has a carbon fiber outside, but please, it is definitely not carbon fiber there. These watch cases open up pretty easily. You just, well, they're supposed to. Well, this one's a little different than what I had before. It has a little latch. Whoop! Now that is not good. What happened? So I guess you get what you pay for. That is not cool. This thing just fell off. So, wow. Now it probably can be fixed, but that is not a good sign. And there is a little screw here. Okay, so that can go back in there. I'm sure I can fix that, but that is not a good sign. Also, not well presented is these little watch pillows, and they are all messed up in here. You got this paper here because this is a clear. It's a clear. You know, voila. Hello. You can see it right through, and it opens up on the bottom. This has 20 slots for watches, and this one is made by Bastuo. Bastuo, B-A-T-S-U-O. I got it on Amazon for $37. There's other kinds, Song Mix and Bessa Home. They're all in that $35 to $65 range. Yeah, it fell apart, not good, but I know I can fix that. Just screw that back in. The screw is a little bit loose. So there you have it. The construction is okay. You know, it does look nice when you put your watches in here, and just for something simple storage rather than having your watches on the dresser or desk or wherever you keep them. You can put them in here and not have to spend a lot of money. Hey, I can fix it, and it's going to store some watches. So do I recommend it on quality? No, but it's better than just scattering them all around or putting the watches in a shoebox or something like I heard one person was doing. There you go. Hey, be sure to subscribe to the channel, Watch You Know, and follow me on TikTok and Twitter. I've got a lot of awesome videos coming up. My next review will be actually on this watch, which is the Adam Benedict Genesis 1. And that is going to be an exciting review because we'll also get to hear from the owner of Adam Benedict watches. So stay tuned for that, and have a good night, good day, evening, whatever time it is. And I'll see you in that next watch review. Bye. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that this was pretty easy to fix. What happened was this screw and this screw were not in there good enough, and all I did is took this screwdriver here, tighten them up, and then what you have is this latch here, which you put that over, and that's how you open it. So let's see if we have another disaster when doing this for the second time here. All right, so I pull that there, unlatch that, and then there we go. Okay, so all better.